Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sush Beauty, and in today's video is all about Rakhi vlog. Like I'll be showing you guys what I did the whole day today in this video. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching this video.
Okay, so in the morning, first thing which I did was that I used this Himalaya neem face pack just to get some glow, and after washing my face, you guys can see like I had some glow on my face, and जो pimple मेरा यहाँ पे था वो भी चला गया. And yes, I washed my hair also, and I tied the Rakhi in the early morning. My hair was not dry even, and I don't use any hair dry. I just let my hair dry naturally. So I didn't do anything at that time, and my brother was about to go somewhere. That's why I had to tie the Rakhi a bit early there today. And yes, that was my nephew. He was very excited. Like from the morning he was shouting like कब बांधेगा जल्दी बांधो. And you guys can easily see like how excited he was. And I'll show you guys what he said like when I was tying the Rakhi to him. And that's all. You guys can see and enjoy the video. And yes, I made the video a bit like fast forward because it was too long and I don't wanted to make the video.
So that's all, and now I'm gonna do my makeup. Stove. I'm just gonna try to make a smoky kind of effect from this kajal. So I'm just gonna apply it, and after that I'll be smudge. Okay, so my smoky eye is done and I kind of like this look, so let's just quickly do the blush and highlighter and matte. Okay, so now makeup is done. Let me just quickly put my dress and I'll see you guys. Okay, so that's how it looks, the whole Rakhi look of mine, and I really like this smoky eye effect and I think it suits my face very well and I kind of like this. Okay, so this is my final look. I just wore this earring and I have shown this earring I guess in my earring collection video, and I just paired it with some bangles. I don't usually do this, but this Rakhi I tried to look bit more groomed or something like that. So yes, and the smoky effect, I really like this and it looks so well on me, guys. Trust me, it's my favorite from the whole face part. So yes, and that's all my Rakhi look. Let me just show you guys my whole outfit, how I'm looking, and after that I'm gonna call my brother because I'm missing him a lot and he's not with me, and I guess from many years, and like he doesn't stay with us, like he stays in Delhi, and on this, like particularly on this day, I miss him a lot because I'm very close to him, and everybody who knows me knows that how much I love my brother. So yes, I'm gonna call him and I will show you guys him also. I will show you guys like my video call, quickly show you guys how my outfit is looking. It's very like pretty simple. I just wore a kurta and nothing fancy or anything. Okay guys, so at my terrace right now it looks so like messy, and I think people gonna call me like a mad because it's so hot and I'm on my terrace to click some pictures. I hope I'm gonna get some good pictures because it's too hot. It's so sunny today. I tried to click some pictures like in my room, but the lighting was not enough, so I tried, okay, let's go at the terrace and try to click some pics. And here you guys can actually see my makeup, and I think it looks more pretty when I'm in sun. So let me just click some pictures. Okay guys, so now I have just clicked some pics and I asked my mama to like help me out while clicking the pics, and say help me. I hope you guys will like the pics. I didn't click much pics, but I do click some of the pics and I kind of like them. And yes, that's all. That's my Rakhi look I created, and I hope you guys will enjoy. And one thing I really wanted to say, you guys, I really appreciate each one of you guys. Whoever watches my video, comments on it, like it, share it, and if whatever you do, I really appreciate each one of you, and each one of you means a lot to me. So yes, never think that I don't appreciate you or I don't value your effort. Whatever you do, at least you took out your time to watch my videos. That's really means a lot to me. So thank you thank you for this love and support. Just keep on loving me and supporting me. That's all I can say, you guys. I think guys that after this video I'm gonna be missing, like my exam gonna start from 5th of August, so I'm not going to like film anything or post anything. I'll catch you guys after the 10th of August because my exam ends on 10th. So yes, and sorry for not being active. Like yes, I have exam, so I have to do that. So yes, and yes, that's all guys. I hope you guys will enjoy today's video. I wanted to do like a day in my life vlog from a long time, but I always end up like thinking I don't really do anything. Just मैं सुबह उठती हूँ, फ्रेश होती हूँ, थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज. Yes, I do exercise, but मैंने इस वीडियो में नहीं दिखाया है क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मेरा लाइक पॉली बहुत ज़्यादा बदमाशी कर रहा था. लाइक एक्सरसाइज के साथ क्या होता है, मेरा ना ऑन एंड ऑफ का रिलेशन है. लाइक मैं करती भी हूँ, फिर बीच में छोड़ देती हूँ, फिर करती हूँ, एक कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाती हूँ इसको. सो यस, दैट्स द थिंग. और इसलिए मैं डे इन माई लाइफ नहीं कर पा रही थी, क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ करती ही नहीं हो. सो 2 मिनट में मेरा खत्म हो जाएगा पूरा दिन. सो आई थॉट कि राखी इज़ द परफेक्ट डे टू डू अ ब्लॉग. एंड बिकॉज आज के दिन में बहुत कुछ होता है. मम्मा और भाभी ने पूरी सब्जी बनाया, मैंने वो लंच में दिखाया है, आप लोग को छोटा सा वीडियो करके दिखाया है कि हम लोगों ने लंच में किया. और मॉर्निंग में भी चना वना कुछ था, एंड इवनिंग में वो है. फिर मैंने कल स्वीट बनाया था जो मैंने राखी का राखी बांधने का टाइम में मेरा भाई को खिलाया. सो मैं वो वीडियो भी पोस्ट करने वाली हूँ इसमें ही, कि जब मैंने राखी बांधा था उन लोगों को एंड ऑल. सो ये सब मैं ज़्यादा बोलती नहीं हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा वीडियो लंबा होने वाला है. I'll see you guys in the evening when I'm going to cook that thing. And yes, okay guys, so for my stupidity, what happens when I was exporting the edited video, that time I got to know that I don't have enough space. So for that I deleted some of the videos by thinking that now I have already edited them, so I don't need them. But क्या ही बोलेगा, वीडियो सारे डिलीट हो गए. whatever the cooking one and the night time thing got deleted, and I don't have them. So that's why this here I thought of coming and saying you guys why I was not able to show you guys night what I did in the night, because the videos got deleted. So that's all. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.